Look at your body right now. Not someday, not after the perfect plan, right now. Because the truth is, your body is already changing every single day. The only question is it changing in the direction you want? You don't need a gym. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need complicated programs. What you do need are the right movements done with control, intention, and consistency. Today, I'm going to show you 7 calisthenics moves that can visibly change your body fast. Not gimmicks, not trends, real movements that build strength, muscle, posture, and confidence. If you commit to these, your body will not stay the same. Let's get into it. By the end of this video, you'll have a full-body calisthenics blueprint, moves that hit strength, muscle, posture, and fat loss, exercises you can do anywhere, no excuses, and a routine you can repeat 3 to 5 times per week. This isn't about rushing reps. This is about owning your body. Slow, controlled, intentional. Let's break down the 7 moves that actually deliver results. Move 1. Push-ups. Push-ups aren't basic. They're fundamental. If you do them right, they will change your chest, shoulders, arms, and core. How to do it properly. Hands just outside shoulder width. Body in a straight line, head to heels. Squeeze your glutes. Brace your core. Lower your chest slowly. Push the ground away. Every rep should feel strong, not rushed. Why this changes your body? Push-ups teach your body how to move as one unit. You're not just building chest, you're training shoulder stability, arm strength, and core control. That's why people who master push-ups look athletic, not sloppy. Progression tip. If full push-ups are hard, incline push-ups on a bench or wall. If they're easy, decline push-ups, slow tempo push-ups, pause at the bottom. Move 2. Bodyweight squats. Your legs are your engine. If your legs are weak, your entire body shows it. Squats don't just build legs, they transform how you move. How to do it properly. Feet shoulder width apart. Push hips back. Keep chest tall. Knees track over toes. Sit down, not forward. Drive through your heels. Control the way down. Explode on the way up. Why this changes your body? Squats build thighs and glutes, increase calorie burn, improve posture, strengthen joints. Strong legs equals strong body. Progression tip. Add pause squats, slow negatives, jump squats for power. Move 3. Plank. If your core is weak, everything else leaks power. The plank isn't about time, it's about tension. How to do it properly. Elbows under shoulders. Squeeze glutes. Pull ribs down. Brace abs like you're about to be punched. Breathe slowly. Your body should feel like steel. Why this changes your body? A strong core improves posture, protects your spine, makes every movement stronger, gives you that tight athletic look. This is how you build real abs, not fake crunch abs. Progression tip. Side planks, plank shoulder taps, longer holds with perfect form. Move 4. Inverted rows. Most people train pushing movements. Almost nobody trains pulling. That's why shoulders round forward and posture collapses. Inverted rows fix that. How to do it properly. Use a sturdy table, bar, or rings. Body straight. Pull chest to hands. Squeeze shoulder blades. Lower slowly. Don't jerk. Don't rush. Why this changes your body? Rows build upper back. Improve posture. Balance your shoulders. Create a wider, stronger look. A strong back changes how your entire body appears. Progression tip. Bend knees to make it easier. Elevate feet to make it harder. Pause at the top. Move 5. Lunges. Lunges expose weakness, and weakness is exactly what needs to be trained. How to do it properly. Step forward or backward. Drop the back knee. Keep chest upright. Push through front heel. Control every rep. No wobbling, no rushing. Why this changes your body? Lunges build balanced legs, improve coordination, strengthen hips and knees, enhance athletic movement. They make your lower body look and perform better. Progression tip: walking lunges, pause lunges, reverse lunges for joint-friendly training. Move 6, pike push-ups. If you want strong, defined shoulders without weights, this is your move. How to do it properly. Hips high, head moves forward and down. Elbows bend naturally. Push back to start. You're pressing your body weight. That's serious strength. Why this changes your body? Pike push-ups build shoulder mass, strengthen upper body, prepare you for handstands, improve overhead strength. Strong shoulders instantly upgrade your physique. Progression tip: elevated feet, slow tempo, handstand push-up progressions. Move 7, glute bridges. Your glutes are power muscles. If they're weak, your posture, squats, and back suffer. How to do it properly? Lie on your back, feet planted. Drive hips up. Squeeze glutes at the top. Lower slowly. No arching your lower back. Why this changes your body? Strong glutes improve posture, protect your lower back, increase athletic power, shape your lower body. This is a hidden game changer. Progression tip: single leg bridges, longer holds, hip thrust variations. How to use these moves. Here's a simple structure. 3 to 4 rounds, 8 to 15 reps per movement. Plank 30 to 60 seconds. Rest 30 to 60 seconds between moves. Train this 3 to 5 times per week. Focus on form, increase reps or control over time. Consistency beats intensity. Common mistakes. Mistake 1, rushing reps. Fast reps equals low tension. Slow control builds muscle and strength. Mistake 2, ignoring form. Bad form leads to injuries, plateaus, and wasted effort. Quality always wins. Mistake 3, training without recovery. Your body grows when you rest. Sleep, hydration, nutrition, they matter. Mistake 4, quitting too early. Results don't show in days, they show in weeks of consistency. Stay patient, stay disciplined. Your body is capable of more than you think. You don't need permission, you don't need equipment, you need commitment. Start with these 7 moves. Do them with intention, repeat them consistently, and watch your body change. If you found this valuable, save this routine and come back stronger. Your future body is built by the actions you take today.